In this video, we will talk about how to fix headphones connected but no sound Windows 10, Part 1. Method 1. Check the basics. First, make sure headphone is firmly plugged in. If you're using USB headphone, try different USB ports. You can test the headphone on another device to make sure there's no hardware issues. Method 2. Set headphone as the default output device. Right-click the sound icon on the taskbar. Select Open Sound Settings. Under Output, make sure you have selected your headphone. Method 3. Adjust volume and app settings. Right-click the sound icon. Select Open Volume Mixer. Ensure the device volume and applications volume are not muted. In some apps like Zoom, Teams, and gaming apps, select your headphone as the audio device. Method 4. Run the audio troubleshooter. Click on Windows icon. Open Settings. Select Update and Security. Click on Troubleshoot. Then Additional Troubleshooters. Click on Playing Audio and select Run the Troubleshooter. If you see your device like headphone, then select it and click on Next. If these methods didn't resolve your issue, check out other solutions linked in the I button above. See you in the next video.